Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you all are fine. So just continue our lecture on basic algebraic manipulation and formula. We are going to increase the difficulty level. So I'm just taking another question. I just take this question from book D2. Sorry, I should take the pen. The question is 4x plus 2y to the power 3 over 24 x cube and x plus 2y to the power, there's nothing, it means 1. So this is the question. Oh, I'm so sorry, I think so. This is the question. So what we need to do, we need to just simplify this question. We can see this 4 can be cancelled with this 24, this x and this x cube can be cancelled out in some way, and this whole, I should change the color, this whole x plus 2y is whole as a term, whole part will be cancelled with this whole. So what we will do, we can see this here is the power 1, okay, so the power less will go towards this power 3, okay, cube. So here you can see the power 1, this will go down. So now what we will do, you can see this 4 8 sorry, it should be 6, sorry, I'm so sorry. Through 6 4 will be cancelled, okay. So x plus 2y to the power 3 x plus 2y, and this will become minus 1, okay. So on the bottom or on the denominator, here is a x cube dot x to the power minus 1, okay. When this x will go when this x will comes down, it will become minus 1. So what will be the next, sorry, one thing I should forget is 6. So when we will cancel it, x plus 2y 3 minus 1, we will subtract it, add it from 3. I told all of this in my previous lecture that when the bases are same, okay, so you can see this is a whole base x plus 2y, and this whole is a whole base x plus 2y. When bases are same and they are multiplying with each other, dot means that they are multiplying with each other, then their power will be added. So 3 minus 1 over 6 x to the power 3 minus 1. So what we will get, x plus 2y to the power 2 over 6x square. So this is the answer. So let's take another question. I'm not telling all the basics, but I will repeat it in my next question, so that all of those who just come in this video will have an idea. The question is, this is literally a difficult question relevant to others. A square plus 2ac over 4a. Now you can see in this question, you cannot cancel it in some way, because this is one term and this is another term, and both terms are separated by this plus sign, and here 4 is another term, okay. So you cannot cancel in mathematics, you cannot cancel in this way. The terms should be multiplying with each other while you want to cancel with the denominator. So you can see here, what you need to think about it, you need to think if there is any common in this terms, like here is a square and here is 2ac. You can see here we have a dot a, means it is just like that. Why? Because you can see when you a dot a means a to the power 1 plus 1. It means that a square. So what you can do, you can write it in this way so that you have an idea what you can take as a common. 4a. You can see here is the a and here is also a. So if we will take a as a common, what's left here? Here's left a. In this term, a is only left. And in this term, 2 left and c left. Okay? When we will multiply this a with these two terms, we will get it again. So this is the way we will take common. So now what we can see, you have a here and we have a here. So both have the power 1. Here's a power 1, here's a power 1. So there's no nothing like that. As we always tell that the power lesser will go towards the power those who have more power will be stay on their position, and the other one will be go towards the higher power. But you can see both have same power. So what we need to do, we need to either, if you can take this a towards this a, answer will be same. You will take this a towards this a, both have the same answer. There will nothing change in the answer. So what I am trying to do, I am trying to take this a towards this a on denominator, over 4a, this is 1 minus 1. I don't know if you are getting my point or not. A plus 2c over, this is 4a, 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 4a to the power 0. In mathematics, if there is any variable, for example a, b, c, d, any variable, if the power is 0 on that variable, the answer will be 1. Okay, you understand that? If the power is 0 on any variable, for example a plus b plus c, both as a term have the power 1, power 0, then this will also 1. So if the power is 0 of any variable, the answer will be 1. So this a0 means it becomes 1. A plus 2c over 4 times this one. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. So the answer is a plus 2c over 4. I think you got this. Now just consider another question. I'm just changing the pen. The question is question number 2. Question is d e over d square plus d e. So this is the question. You can see we have two variables. I don't know why the frames are dropping. You can see on nominator you have two variables are multiplying with it. D and E both are multiplying with each other. Here the variables are adding. So in order to cancel the numerator denominator, the variables should be multiplying with each other. Like this d plus de cannot be cancelled with like that. It should be written in the form of multiplication like that. So what we need to think, if we can take any common from this. You can see here d dot d means there are two d are multiplying with each other, and that's why the power becomes 2. I'm writing it for those who just all those students who are like cannot understand easily. So their level of understanding is I should not say lower. I just want to say I just want to teach all of them, those who are very intelligent, those who are not. So anyone can get it what I'm trying to do. So you can take d common from this denominator. What we will get here, we will get d plus what we will get here, we will get only e, because you can see this d will comes down or come outside. So only what's left, only e is left. when we will multiply this d with this and this, we will get d square plus e again. Okay, now you can see this d and this d. Now we can cancel it. When we will take this d towards this or this towards this, both are same. Okay, so d 1 minus 1 dot e. Dot e means that it's multiplying. D plus e. This become d to the power 0, and I told you that d to the power 0 or when the power is 0, the answer is 1 over d plus e. It's become 1 dot e, d plus e. Here is e over d plus e. Okay, this is the answer. So quickly, I'm just going to consider one more question. I'm just going to consider one more question. Question number 3. It's question number 6 in D2. So all those who are following the book, 4d over 6c plus 8d and all of like whole half the square 2. So now what we will do, what we can do, we can think this question in different way. You can see, I think I should change the pen blue. You can see 3c plus 4d. You cannot take common from 3c plus 4d because there is nothing common in between. No? So I don't know why frame is being cancelling. So you can see, we can write this 6c plus 8d, 6c plus 8d. We can write in this way. Why? Because you can see this square is here, means that it is, this is the power 1, this is the power 1, and when we add it, it becomes square. So what we will do next, 3c over, there is we can solve it with another method. First we will do it. I don't know why the frames are cancelling. So you can see there is a common in between 6 and 8. We can take 2 as a common. When we will take 2 common, it will become 3c plus 4d. Sorry, 4d. And when we'll take 2 common from this part, we will get 3c plus 4d. I think you get it. So now what we will do, 2 multiplied by 2 becomes 4, 3c plus 4d, 3c plus 4d over 4, and here's a 3c plus 4d, 3c plus 4d. Okay, here's a power 1, here's a power 1, and it also has a power 1. So what we will do, we will take this single this towards above. So this is 3c plus 4d. This is the one way, and 3c plus 4d. I think I should 4d minus 1. Okay, I just take single towards nominator. That is 4 3c plus 4d. When we will add 1 minus 1, it becomes 0, and this 3c plus 4d to the power 0, this is the one way. I will solve this question with another trick so that you have an idea. This becomes 1. This whole become 1 over 4 3c plus 4d. You know that this is all considered as a variable. Its power is 0. When power is 0 of any variable, you will get 1. So this is the answer. Okay, I think so I should pause it here because I don't know why my frames are being dropping, and I'm just pausing it for a while. So what I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm just solving this question with with another method, but the reason I am solving this with this very basic method is because many students forget the coefficients, so they just forget to square the coefficient. So that's the reason I just use this method, but I am solving it with the other method as well, so that you have an idea in all way. So I should select the pen. I'm just repeating the question. It's 3c plus, that is 4d, over it's 6c plus 8d whole square. Okay, so sorry, so this is a question. I'm just solving it with quick way. What we will do, you can see this is 3c. All students are not that intelligent to think like that. That's the reason I just use basic method. So you can see that is, I'm just taking these bars here. So you can see here 2 can be taken as a common. Then we will take 2 as a common. What we will get? 3c plus 4d. Okay, this square is on this and this square is on this too as well. So that is 3c plus 4d over 2 square dot 3c plus 4d square. Now what we will do, we will take 3c plus 4d here in the bottom. When there is when the whole of the denominator will comes down, then the denominator left 1 to its place. So 3c 4d will come whole at down, and the 1 will left here. 4 3c plus 4d square over 3c plus 4d to the power minus 1. Okay, so now what we will do, we will have this, that is 4 3c plus 4d to the power 2 minus 1. It will become 1 over 4 3c plus 4d. So the answer is same. The number of steps are lesser than the number of steps in previous, but you know the reason I use the previous method is that many students forget to square this 2. What they will do, they will put 2 here, and in the end what the answer will be, 2 is here, so that they will get 0 marks just because of this. They will square only this, they will not square. Most students forget to square this 2 or forget to square the coefficient, any coefficient like here. Okay, so that's the reason I just open the question and then combine it again and use the previous method. So I think your video has become getting longer, so we will end up in this video, and we will continue in the next video, and we will use different formulas or learn different type of formulas in algebra, and we will use that formulas to solve or simplify our questions. So for today, thank you so much for watching, and for those who just think that these lectures are helpful for them, please subscribe and like and share. Thank you.